Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. If you're a Keynote user on your iPhone, you know how easy it is to make mistakes while creating those stunning presentations. But don't worry, today, we're tackling a super handy feature: how to undo your actions in Keynote on iPhone for 2025. This update brings even smoother tools, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves designing slides, mastering Undo will save you tons of time and frustration. First things first, let's open up Keynote on your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest 2025 version installed. Head to the App Store if you need to update. Once you're in a presentation, start editing your slides. Maybe you're adding text, images, or animations, and oops, you make a slip-up. To undo your last action, the quickest way is to use the shake gesture. Just give your iPhone a gentle shake, and a pop-up will appear asking if you want to undo. Tap Undo to revert your change. It's that simple. If shaking isn't your style or it doesn't work, maybe you're in a moving vehicle, head to the top of the screen. Tap the three-dot menu in the toolbar, then select Undo from the options. For multiple undos, keep repeating the process. Keynote allows you to step back through your recent edits. One cool tip for 2025: there's a new redo feature. If you undo something by mistake, just shake again and choose Redo from the prompt. This is a game changer for fine-tuning your work. Also, remember that undo only works on actions within the current session, so save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. There you have it. Undoing in Keynote on iPhone is straightforward and powerful. Practice this a few times, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.